Hi there, Andy here, and thanks for joining me for what will probably be, well, is the last song in the run of 52. So I'd just like to wish everyone a very happy New Year for 2015. I'd like to thank everybody for following and watching and supporting with kind donations. I think I've raised possibly more than £400 for, no, I think nearly £500 for the two charities. So it's been a very worthwhile effort on everyone's behalf. So this song is nominated by Carol Henderson, nominated quite a while back, so apologies it's taken me this long to get around to playing it, Carol. And slightly different to all the other songs that I've played, so a good little, different string to my bow, string to my guitar. Okay, here we go. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Rise up this morning, smile with a shining sun. Three little birds pushed on my doorstep, singing sweet songs, melodies pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Sing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Woke up this morning, smile with the rising sun. Three little birds pushed on my doorstep, swinging sweet songs, melodies pure and true, singing, this is my message to you. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing gonna be alright. Simply don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry. Okay, thanks for watching all the way. Thank you to the loyal viewers. You know who you are. Okay, this is Andy D signing off. Adios.